Hey G12, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool amendment right here, and basically what this is a Christmas cosmic decoration light. Then definitely hang anywhere you guys want to. So if you guys want to hang this in your patio, your backyard, your front door, or even in your living room, you can definitely set it however you guys want to. The one that we got right here is from this brand right here. And right here they probably got some specs and features on here. So they do mention how there's 335 LED star lights and 8 different light modes on here. But I'm just open this up to show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, that's what it actually looks like inside. Let's take it out. Alright, so when you guys first take it out, this is basically what the product looks right here. So basically all these are like the hanging lights. So when you guys want to actually hang it, you can definitely untangle these and just let it out. But basically for this whole entire part right here will actually light up. So you definitely see like the star design on here. And top part right here, they do give you guys the option if you guys want to hang this somewhere. And then right here, they provide guys some mounting accessory. So if you guys want to mount this onto the floor for the bottom part of the actual light, you definitely can. And definitely using that accessory is actually really useful if you guys are planning to use it outdoor and if it's like super windy. That's where it actually comes in handy. But basically on this side right here is where you guys actually want to plug in the cable to actually activate the product. And then right here we do have the switch for you guys to actually change the different light modes on here. So I don't want to make like a huge mess. So I'll probably just untangle this part here and actually plug it in to show you guys how it works. Alright, so once we turn it on, you guys can see that this is basically what right here. So if you guys want to change the different light modes on here, you basically want to press on the button on the switch. So I'm actually show you guys what I mean. So I press the switch right here. This is mode number 2, mode number 3, mode number 4, mode number 5, mode number 6, mode number 7, mode number 8, and then back to 1. If you guys want to turn off the product, all you're going to do is unplug the cable. But basically for the cable right here is actually really long. So if you want to hang this somewhere outside, the cable is definitely long enough for you guys to extend it really far away. But definitely see the color of the light on here definitely looks pretty nice. So if you're going to set this in your front door, your patio, or your backyard, you can definitely use it however you guys want to. But you basically want to untangle this option, right here, right here, right here, and right here. So the total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 different parts on here. So that is basically everything that's on the bar right here. Now to go unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for the bar right here, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys want to decorate like your hallway, your living room, your patio or backyard using this option right here, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.